plan to go Tegenungan Waterfall, and this is outside the ubud. So I hired a taxi from Kuta from my hotel to take me all the way to Tegenungan Waterfall. This is one of the must place to visit. So I just arrived. It's open from 6:30 to 6:30 p.m. Looks like it's a 20,000 rupiah to get in. Let's buy one ticket. It's really nice and sunny day, a bit hot outside. So bring plenty of water with you, and this is amazing. And the waterfall, look at the view of the waterfall. To get there, we actually need to take steps to go all the way down, and all the way down there is more waterfall in there too. This is breathtaking view. That's one of the must place to come if you are in Bali. So this is the steps you need to take to go down, and all the way you have a lot of plenty of place to take a picture. Especially the girls, they loves to take a picture. There's many places to take a picture. So this is another one small waterfall, which is also you can visit all the way on your way to go to the big waterfall. Just be careful, it can be very slippery, the rocks. So this is the smaller waterfall. So this is the biggest waterfall, and it's hard to capture everything on a camera. But if you're there, you feel this is a massive waterfall, and you can take a bath. Just be careful. There's a line in there. Just don't cross the line, and just be careful when you walk. The rocks can be very slippery. Thanks for enjoying my video. Please subscribe.